take a look at this free book. It's called The Rapid Lead Activator, and it's an elegant new way to convert email leads into better clients faster without pissing them off with aggressive marketing tactics and without disrupting your existing onboarding or funnels if you have one of those already set up. What's the secret? Well, using 5 simple emails, you can copy paste into your system in no time flat, which works great for coaches, consultants, experts, and creators who sell something online, or maybe even the copywriters who write this for them. Anyway, this video isn't necessarily about the book itself per se, although you're definitely welcome to click the link below and download it if the topic interests you, since it's free and there's a lot of great goodies inside. But this video is about why I decided to create this book and replace 80% of all my other lead magnets with this single one. You see, despite the popularity of quizzes, checklists, free mini courses, and other similar lead magnets, you can't deny the appeal of a good book. Why? Well, let me break it down for you. First of all, getting a book about a topic your audience is interested in is an instant dopamine hit. Does that mean they'll actually read it? Unfortunately not. Chances are they won't. However, and this is the important part, the mere act of requesting a book makes people feel like they've done something productive, that they can get closer to their dreams and desires without actually putting in the work, while having the control and agency to consume it whenever they want. And that, my friend, is a very powerful combo, especially with everyone being busy nowadays and having crazy schedules. I mean, sure, giving people a free 5-7-part mini course as a lead magnet might seem super valuable on the surface, but despite your best intentions, it often just puts extra pressure on leads while feeling a lot like work, because now they have to do a lot of work here, right? It's actually one more thing, in quotes, that they have to spend time on. And if they don't consume it while constantly being reminded to do so, they're basically just going to start feeling guilt, shame, and all sorts of negative feelings towards you. And pretty soon, they'll consistently ignore your emails because they're going to feel like it makes them feel worse about themselves. Not good. Nobody really wants to feel that feeling, especially when they haven't paid for your lead magnet, which means they'll value it even less. So that's why most webinars, free video courses, and email courses often miss the mark. If your info comes with a must be available on Wednesday night or watch all 5 videos in the series clause, you're saying goodbye to a chunk of potential leads, unfortunately. On the flip side, offer them a free short book and they can hop on board without any immediate commitment at all. They can snag it now and dive in whenever they get a breather. Of course, it's worth reminding them from time to dive deeper, but still, the idea of book is very, very, very powerful. Is this making sense? But wait, there's more. Because there's another major reason why lead generation books outperform other lead magnets. And it's this. Books are inherently perceived as valuable. No matter the content, the matter of practicality, no matter the value proposition itself, in most people's minds, a book is a book. It's the authority building device that must mean that the author of the book knows what they're talking about. Of course, this is often far from the truth, but most people still perceive it that way. Don't believe me? Let me prove it to you. Before I wrote the Rapid Lead Activator book, I actually had a Rapid Lead Activator resource. I ran Facebook ads for it for a while, and I was getting new leads for about $9.5 with a 1.8% CTR, that's click-through rate, and a 56% landing page conversion rate. Not the best results, but not the worst either. In fact, a lot of people would be super happy with those results. Fast forward a few months, right after I finished the book, I ran another campaign, which was the same thing as before, same cover image, same ad copy, same landing page, same everything, except for one thing. I literally just changed the words new resource to new book. That's it. I just changed 2 words, duplicated the ad set, and let it run. And the result? Well, it's going to shock you. I'm now generating leads for $4 with a 2.3% click-through rate and a 78% landing page conversion rate, although that obviously fluctuates a lot with Facebook traffic. Talk about a big improvement from such a small change, right? I wish all A/B tests were so easy, but the important point is this. Naming your free resource a book is a night and day difference indeed. Do you see why books outperform other lead magnets now? I hope you do, but if you still don't, here's another example. I very rarely post on Facebook, but when I do, I usually get around 30, 50 likes or reactions and maybe 1, 2 comments, unless I go post like super cute baby pictures, because that gets a lot more. But a few days ago, I posted that I wrote my first book, and guess what? I got 130 likes and reactions and 41 comments so far. People are congratulating me left and right for writing a book, even though they don't realize that the funnel which comes after the book itself is way longer, and it took significantly more effort to build that than the book itself. But still, nobody cares about the funnel and the email system. Everybody cares about the fact that I wrote the book itself. And then I am an author now, even though I've probably already created 100 times as much content before. And I'm actually much prouder of my 100-day proven sales letter breakdown challenge, which you can find here on YouTube. I'm going to leave a link to the playlist where you can check that out, or my current magnum opus, Breakthrough Conversions Academy. Again, link below. But hey, that's how people think, and it is what it is. And that's why, hopefully, you now understand why a free book far outperforms other lead magnets. So I rest my case. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, because I'll be creating more videos like this. And also check out the free book itself, the Rapid Lead Activator. It doesn't cost you anything, and it's an elegant new way to activate and nurture your new email subscribers so that they actually turn into high-value clients and customers faster without using aggressive marketing tactics. There are even like specific email templates in there. You can just customize them to fit your offer and your situation, and that's it. You're ready to go. Some of these are even copy-paste. So check it out, link below, and I'll see you inside.